A very good morning, dear students. In today's class, we will be continuing chapter number 8, Decimals. Today, we will be doing the questions from exercise 8C. Here, I have drawn a table. In this, I have written quantity. In the next column, I have written whole number and then decimal fraction. So, first, you have to write the whole number. 2.54 centimeter. So what is the whole number here? Whole number, it is just before the decimal. So 2 is the whole number and decimal fraction we will be writing it as 0.54. Next, here what is the whole number? No whole number is there because here is 0. And what is the decimal fraction? 0.914. Next, come to this. Here, what is the whole number? Whole number is 4. And what is the decimal fraction? Decimal fraction is 0.546. This is the decimal fraction. Now, here I have drawn a number line. Let us write the decimal. How we will be writing this? Here, see which number is written? 6.1. So, this will be 6.11. This will be 6.12. Then 6.13. Then 6.14. Then will be 6.15. Then this will be 6.16. 6.17, 6.18, here this will be 6.19, then 6.2, then 6.21, 6.22, 6.23, 6.24, 6.25, 6.26, 6.27, 6.28, 6.29 and 6.3, or we can also say it as 6.30 also. Now let us do some more problems from the exercise 8C only. You have to write each of the following decimal number in words. The decimal number is written 19.07. This we have to write in words. So how I will be writing it? 19.07 or the next 3.69. How I will be writing this decimal number in words? I will be writing it as 3.69 or 3 and 69 hundredths. 3 and 69 hundredths. This, how I will be writing this? 19 and 7 hundredths. The other that I have told you, it is very simple, 19.07, or we could also write it as 19 and 7 hundredths. This we could write it as 3.69 or 3 and 69 hundredths. let us take some larger number, that is 1037.698. How I will be writing this number? 1000. See how many after the decimal, sorry, before the decimal, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So how? First of all, write the number before the decimal. This is 1037.698, or we could also write it as 1037 and 698 thousands. The other form, how I will be writing? First of all, write the number before the decimal. It is 1037. This point we will be writing and, then 698, 698 thousands. In the word form, students, there are two different ways in which we can write in the word form. So any one you can write which is more convenient to you. Now let us write the decimal number for each fraction. Here I will be writing a fraction, then we have to write the decimal number for the given mixed number. First is 8, 41 upon 100. Then let us take some larger number, 159, 173 upon 1000. Now how could we write it in the decimal form? First of all, I will be writing this 8 whole number, that is 8. Then I will be putting the decimal. Then this numerator, I will be writing it as it is 41. Again 159. Then I will be putting the decimal. Then I will be writing the numerator as it is 173. Now write the following decimals as mixed numeral. What if I have given you decimals and you have to write the mixed numeral? Suppose the first one is 3.63. We have to write the mixed number or the mixed numeral of this. So first of all, write the whole number 3. Then in the numerator I will be writing 63. Here 2 digits are there, so I will be putting 2 zeros in the denominator. Let us write for the another number 36.3. How I will be writing for this number? First of all, 36 I will be writing as it is. Then after decimal 3 is there. 3 I will be writing in the numerator. How many digits are there? Only 1. So I will be putting only 1 zero. Let us take some larger number, 809.697. How I will be writing this in the mixed numeral? First of all, write the number before the decimal, that is 809. Then 697, write in the numerator. Now here 3 digits are there, so I will be putting 30. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.